Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to strip a Glock pistol. Doesn't matter if it's a subcompact, a compact, a full-size standard pistol. They all come apart pretty much exactly the same. I have my Glock 26 subcompact in 9mm, and I have my full-size Glock 22 in 40 cal here on the bench as we speak. I put 100 rounds through this pistol today. This one's already been cleaned. I put another 200 through this pistol today. This one is dirty. We're going to use this one just for sake of the larger frame and being easier to see the takedown assembly. Now, that being said, nothing in the magazine. Well, this is empty, and same thing with this one. Magazine well is empty. Cycle it a couple of times. Alright, so both of these weapons are safe to operate and disassemble. I have this really nice tech mat here with all of the parts that are on it in the gun itself. We're only going to take it down to the frame and the slide separating from each other. We're not going to take any pins out. We're not going to do anything like that. So, you have your slide lock here on the frame of the pistol. It has one on each side. So the easiest way to do this that I've found over the years of taking this pistol apart are simply to push down on here and pull forward, and you will feel that push forward just a little bit. Now the pistol, you can see, is not in battery. So if you just simply depress the trigger, your frame and your pistol slide are now in separate pieces. This basically now can be cleaned as best as you can without disassembling anything further. You have a lot of springs and the trigger assembly in here that can come out, and you can basically strip this down to just a piece of plastic and have nothing else in it. However, we're going to set that to the side, and to field strip this firearm, basically now you have the slide itself, you have the recoil spring, and you have the barrel inside the slide. It's very simple. Push forward, this spring will pop out like so, and your barrel lifts up and out, and there you have it. That is your weapon field stripped. No problem whatsoever. And it's the reverse order to reassemble. You take your barrel, feed it in, it drops into place like so. Then you have to be careful of these springs are oriented, they only go one way. There's a nipple here on this one that you can see, and this is just a flat back piece. You're going to insert into the slide, and as you depress the spring, it'll drop into place into the notch on the barrel. Now, this is the tricky part for some people. I'm going to go with my left hand here because I shoot left-handed. It just feels right in this hand. You have guides that go all the way back on the pistol itself, and there are rails on the slide. You have to make sure that they match up. You're going to pull back, you feel it click, and that's that. Very easy, very simplistic. And just to show you it's exactly the same, we're going to do this one in real time. It's a little bit oily because I just cleaned it, but there you go, stripped out. Barrel back in, recoil spring back in, flip this around, right like so, and that's that. Field stripping these guns is incredibly simple. These are very user-friendly firearms, as you can see. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment box. I'm normally pretty decent and diligent about getting back to people with their questions or general comments. Like I said, these tech mats are really nice. This workbench that I have down here I use for pretty much everything, and I want to protect these guns and not get any scratches on them, these tech mats are fantastic. I don't clean the firearms on these. I use just like a regular terry cloth or whatever. But if you're disassembling and doing any type of gunsmithing or something like that, and you want to keep all your parts in one place, these tech mats are fantastic. Again, I'll do a more detailed video on how to disassemble these and what all these parts are and what they mean, and how to get them out of your firearm to do a total takedown and cleaning of your firearm. That'll be a later video though. But for now, if you have any questions, feel free, like I said, to leave a comment, and thank you for watching.